welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be planning in my memory planner. We are going to be using this kit from my shop. It is called Make It Happen. The kit comes with 7 pages, but I just printed out 3 and I'm only going to be using 2. Just the full boxes and the sheet that contains most of the half and the quarter boxes. So I am using these Jasenia printables inserts. They are a week in 2 pages. It did take me a while to print them and actually line them up. And at first when I was putting these boxes, I thought maybe my printing was incorrect because the boxes are a little bit wider. But then I came to find out that this was an oopsie and my boxes were cut a little bit bigger than the size that they should be. So that's why you see them overlapping. So the inserts are perfect. They are my stickers that I cut them wrong for this kit that I was using. So yeah, I went ahead and put the boxes. I'm going to be using washi from Simply Gilded for the bottom washi. This is one of the reasons why I like these inserts is because it still has the bottom washi section that I can decorate. I really don't need like a sidebar because this is a memory plan. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the Simply Gilded on the bottom. I think I used 2 different ones. And I was saying on the full boxes, I'm not used to putting them all in one row because in my Erin Condren, I scatter them. So this is the first time that I'm doing them all in one line. Well, it's not the first time. First time in these inserts. It's the first time I'm using these inserts. I was using So Much Crafting, which is, they're perfect too. But since I had a printer and I had paper, I decided to go ahead and print my own. So yeah, that's what we're doing here. I always do this. I don't know if you guys have like a system when you plan, but I always put my full boxes first and then my bottom washi. And then my glitter headers. These are from Wild Summer Designs. Trying to figure out what color I'm going to use. Normally on my memory plan I only use 2 colors. I use one on the top, like right below the dates, and then I will put one right above the full boxes. So here I did just that. I added that second color right above the full boxes. And now I had this extra freebie from one of the sales. This is from my shop, NediDesigns. And it had some header overlays, foiled overlays. So I decided to use them up and put them over the glitter headers that are going over the full boxes. Just to make this a little foiled effect. These are available in my shop and they're available with like different designs, dots, hearts, stars, you name it. I think it's an easy way to, if you have a kit that is not foiled, to foil it instantaneous and have some bling in your planner. Look at that. Gorgeous. Really love the way it's coming out. Love the colors. So this is a sheet that I was telling you. It has some quarter boxes and full boxes. So let's start with Monday. Monday, I put the box crooked. But I think I go ahead and change it. So on Monday, I used a So Much Joy character to mark that it was my daughter's first day of preschool, but it was half day and I got to spend the whole half day with her. And then later that day, we were so tired and exhausted for that half day of school that we took a nap, and I used this sticker from Coffee and Sassco. It's a freebie that I received from them. And then I used a quarter box to mark that I went to the post office. And I used the stickers from Nanny Sticky Stickers. And then Miranda, my daughter, who went to preschool, also had a dentist appointment. So I used a character from So Much Joy. And then on Tuesday, we had nothing. She had a day off. The other half of the kids that were going to be attending the class were going to attend this day. So I used this half box and I used a heart from Clever Gal Crafts to mark that we went to church. We registered my other daughter, my teenage daughter, um, for some Bible study classes, and that was in the afternoon, and that's pretty much all we did. Of course, I worked, designed, cleaned the house, but I don't mark that in my memory plan. So then I went ahead on Tuesday, I used a quarter box, and this is to mark that my daughter went to preschool. This was a full day from 9 a.m. to 3:30. Oh my gosh, I'm going to go crazy by myself. What am I going to do at home with no children? My goodness. And then I added a half box, and this was to mark that my grandson was born. Yes, I have a 26-year-old son who got married and is having his baby or had his baby on this day. Is such a great experience and I can't wait to meet him. We'll be going there. He lives in Arkansas. We will be going there on the week of Thanksgiving. And I used the Coffee Monster Co. little character to mark this. And then with a small flag, I'm going to mark a chiropractic appointment. But first, I tried to white out the lines from the inserts. I don't know if I need more practice or the tape was kind of dry, but it is new, so I'm going to guess that I need more practice. I usually don't white out anything, so I'm not used to using the whiteout. But yeah, that's what I did. That's the flag for the appointment. And this is from the icon is from White Deer Stationery. I'm fixing something. Oh no, I moved down the post office run from Monday. So then moving on to Thursday. So Thursday marks 90 days to 2019. So I'm in a couple challenges to become a better person before the new year instead of waiting for the new year and setting goals and all that stuff. So I started that day. I started to do a few things and making sure that they get done every single day for 90 days. And then I added a flag, and this is to mark that I went to drop off my daughter at preschool and she started crying. She didn't cry on the first day, she cried the second day. That's weird. And then the sticker from Spot Drop is to mark that it was my daughter's dance classes. This is for my 14-year-old daughter. She does lyrical, tap, and jazz. Then on Friday, I used a half box, and this is to mark another daughter of mine. She's 20, and she loves to plan too. So we're planner buddies and our planner friends. And on Friday, we did just that. We planned together in my office. It was fun. She gets to use my stickers, and I don't get to use hers. What's up with that, Natalie? So then I used some more washi here just to break up the boxes and to add foil. Why not? I used another half box, and this one was to mark that we binge watched Netflix. We watched a couple movies. I don't usually put in here the movie that we watched, but we usually find pretty good movies. Then that same day, I bought these inserts. That's when I bought these inserts from Jasenia's Printables. So I went ahead and marked that. I cut one of the half boxes that I didn't use to use it like as background for that sticker that I'm about to put. This sticker is from Island Fairy Prince. Such a cute character. And then we moved on to Saturday. Saturday was a fun day. We got to decorate our home using fall decor. And I used this character Tara from Pumpkin Paper Co. to mark that. Then we also went to Marshall's to buy a couple things that we needed for the fall decorating. And I used this card and this credit card from Excel Mama Plans. Love her videos. You should go check them out. And I also had a facial. Why did I start from the bottom up? I don't know. Maybe I was afraid that not everything was going to fit in that tiny little space. But I used some washi as the background, and I used this face mask character from Avalon and Ninth. So cute. I love the colors, very neutral. They fit with every spread. I'm having trouble putting that washi. There I go. So then we move on to Sunday. On Sunday, I used a small flag. I love when I get to use all the stickers in one sheet. It's just so satisfying. I use this character from Station Stickers. She's so cute. She's carrying bags because we went to the outlets. We went shopping. And then on Sunday, we went to eat. And I used this icon from Rose Colored Days. And we did some homework. My little one from preschool had homework due. So, of course, we do it Sunday, the day before school. And I just to use up some space, I used a squiggle from Rose Colored Days. And very cute. And then normally I usually do the date dots or the date covers first, but this time I finished at the end. I was going to use those beautiful ones from Tassel Planner, but the color didn't match once I was under the lighting. So I decided to go and search for more. So I pulled these from Avalon and Ninth, and I think I found the perfect color. What do you think? That one? I thought it was too light, and I wanted it to pop a little bit. So, yep, you guessed it, I went with that maroon color. So gorgeous. And those numbers, I don't know where they're from, but I'm thinking they are from Simply Watercolor Co. I might be wrong. It didn't say. I don't recall cutting this sheet, so I feel like that's the way they came. Which is weird because most of these stickers, they have the company name. But yes, so this is usually this is one of the first steps, but on this case, or this time, I was doing it towards the end. And I forgot to mention, but this is memory planning for October 1st through October 7th. I'm a little behind, I know. I'll catch up, I promise. I really love the way this spread came out, and I hope you like it too. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. You can see how this actually came out, like with after the pen. It is at NediDesigns, and then also my shop on Etsy is also NediDesigns. And don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Bye bye.